Hello everyone, myself Muttalagan. I am pursuing second year BE Biomedical Engineering in SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. As I am talk about artificial intelligence in agriculture. And what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence (AI) is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. It is called artificial intelligence (AI). What are the four types of artificial intelligence? Reactive machines, unlimited theory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. And what are the examples of artificial intelligence? Siri, Alexa, and other smart assistants, self-driving cars, robo-advisors, conversational bots, email spam filters, and Netflix recommendations. How does artificial intelligence work? AI approaches and concepts. Less than a decade after breaking the Nazi inscription machine Enigma and helping the Allied forces win World War II, mathematician Alan Turing changed the history of science time with a simple question: can machines think? Turing's paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence of 1950 and its subsequent Turing test. It established the fundamental goal and vision of artificial intelligence. And its core, AI is the branch of computer science that aims to answer Turing's question. It is the affirmative, it is the endeavor to replicate a simulate human intelligence and machines. The expansive goal of artificial intelligence has given rise to many questions and debates, so much of that no singular definition of field is universally accepted. And artificial intelligence and data science is a new branch of study which deals with scientific methodologies, processes, and techniques drawn from different domains like statistics, cognitive science, and computing, and information of structured data and unstructured data. My topic of artificial intelligence in agriculture. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science dealing with the new simulation of intelligent behavior in computers. Artificial intelligence is not a man versus machines. It is a fact of man with machine synergy. And what is meant by green revolution? The global population is expected to reach 10 billion people by 2050, which means double agricultural production in order to meet food demands, which is about 70% in increase in production. Farm enterprises require new and innovative technologies to face and overcome these challenges. By using AI, we can resolve the challenges. And artificial intelligence used in agriculture. How? Automated farming activities, identification of pest and disease outbreak before occurrence, managing crop quality, monitoring abiotic factors of stress, machine vision system and phenotype led to adjustments. Automated irrigation system, effect of usages, reducing production cost of vegetables, making the industry more competitive and sustainable, maintaining average vegetable yields, minimizing environmental impacts caused by excess applied water and subsequent agrochemical leaching, and maintaining a desired soil water range in a root zone that is optimal for plant growth, low labor input for irrigation process maintenance, and substantial water saving concentration to irrigation management based on average historical weather conditions. In artificial intelligence, remote sensing of crop health and monitoring, hyperspectral imaging and 3D laser scanning are capable of rapidly providing enhanced information and plant metrics across thousands of acres. The spatial resolution of delineate individual plots and plants are temporal advantages of tracking changes throughout the growing cycle. It is the meaning of crop health and monitoring. In artificial intelligence for harvesting vine crops, Harvesting vine crops. It is a method of conventional methods are often time consuming and generally categorical in contrast to what can be analyzed throughout automated digital detection and analysis technologies categorized as remote sensing tools. And the training of using in a hyperspectral imaging, spectroscopy and 3D mapping allows for the substantial increase in number of scalable physical observable in the field. The effect is occupied by a multi-sensor collection. The phenotype data is which all the crop observable become a mathematical values. And artificial intelligence is a autonomous yearly warning system for oriental fruit fly, Bactocera and dorsalisis outbreaks. This autonomous yearly warning system built upon the basis of wireless sensor networks and GSM networks effectively captures long-term and up to the minute natural environmental fluctuations in fruit farms. In addition of two machines learning techniques and self-organizing maps. Support vector machines are incorporated to perform adaptive learning and automatically issue a warning message to farmers and government officials via GSM networks. In artificial intelligence for autonomous yearly warning system for oriental fruit fly, Bactocera dorsalis outbreaks. The autonomous yearly warning system built upon the basis of wireless sensor networks and GSM networks effectively captures long-term and up to the minute natural environmental fluctuations in fruit farms. And the addition of two machine learning techniques, self-organizing maps and support vector machines and incorporated to perfect to learning and automatically issue a warning message to farmers and government officials via GSM networks. Decision support system for field prediction using AI techniques. This system involves a set of artificial intelligence based techniques, artificial neural networks and genetic algorithms and gray system theory. This is a system of AI techniques. Use of artificial intelligence based methods can offer a promising approach to yield prediction and compare favorable with traditional methods. In AI driverless tractor, using ever more sophisticated software coupled with off-the-shelf technology including sensors, radar and GPS. The system allows an operator working a combine to set the course of a driverless tractor to pulling a grain cart, position the cart to receive a grain from the combine and send the fully loaded cart to be unloaded. This is the AI driver of less tractor. And artificial intelligence is the purpose of weeding. The HartiBot is about 3 foot by 3 foot, is self-propelled and uses of global positioning system GPS. It can recognize 25 different kinds of weeds and eliminate them by using its weeding removing attachments. And AI's weeding techniques are HartiBot is eco-friendly because it sprays exactly about the weeds, as the machine is light between 200 and 300 kilograms, so it will not hurt the soil behind it. It is also cheaper than the tools currently used for weed elimination, as it can work during extended periods of time. It is the purpose of weeding. And conclusion, AI can be appropriate and efficacious in agriculture sector as it optimizes the resource use and efficiency. It solves the scarcity of resources and labor to a large extent. Adaptation of AI is quite useful in agriculture. Artificial intelligence can be technological revolution and boom in agriculture to feed the increasing human population of world. Artificial intelligence will complement and challenge to make right decisions by farmers. Thank you.